Snail White has different promises. First is the whitening, moisture, and the glowy effect, or the parang glass skin effect. I-check natin yan kung totoo ba talaga yung anong pag-uusapan natin ngayon, which is the new craze for the Filipinos who are aiming to have a Korean skin.
Char.
Snail White by NAMU Life. Snail White by NAMU Life. It's endorsed by one and only. Ang ganda-ganda niya. It's Miss Erich Gonzalez. So, first tong endorse ni Miss Erich Gonzalez. So, of course, yung skin ni Miss Erich, alam mo yun, parang talagang Korean skin. So, we Filipinos, I myself also want to have that kind of skin na glass skin Z. Choice natin yun eh. Kung gusto natin maging morena or kung gusto lang natin pumuti, choice natin yun. Here is the box. And it costs, pagpila ka dun eh, 900 something. And then, kailangan makuha at mag-sale sa Watson para mahimo siyang 900 minus 20. Moon na ang iyahang price nga napalit na hot. Ay! What? Anong nagbisaya ko? Oh my God! For those who are asking, I'm also fluent in Tagalog. I bought this at Watson at 995 yung original price na, and nag-sale sila, so 20% off. Maganda yung pag nag-sale yung Watson, bumili ka nito. Grabe, pesh, 900 pesh. Isa sa reason bakit binili ko to is because of its ingredients. Wala kasi siyang harmful ingredients. This is the box. Yan yung outer niya, Snail White, and then dito is the ingredients. In mo niyahang liko. Ay, here's the back. And here's the proof na mo niyang marketing para makapalit jud ka nga. Ay, dami dyan siya di ay kay makapaputi. Ay, nagbisaya na po ko. Maganda to kasi nakakaputi. Yan. So, we'll open the box. Meron siyang parang ganun. By the way, marami parang fake na naglalaparan dito. So, medyo ingat na lang tayo sa fake para makasigurado talaga tayo na hindi fake yung binili natin. Is doon na lang tayo bumili sa Watson. Kasi authentic products talaga doon. Kasi marami kasing naglalipunan ngayon ng mga online selling na ganito. So, doon ka na lang sa sigurado. Huwag ka na lang mag-risk sa hindi sigurado. Diba? Ang ganda ng box niya. Tapos gaganyan mo pa siya. Tapos malalaglat, tapos mababasag. Kasi glass siya, guys. So, medyo ingat tayo sa pagkuha nito. Here is the cream. Ang ganda kasi nito, guys, kasi hindi siya, ang tawag doon, hindi bitaw siya masayang. Like other cream, bitaw nga, igor ni mo ay anak. Ay, bisaya na po! Not like other cream that you'll just like that. So, hindi siya masasayang kasi hindi siya katulad ng ibang cream. Alam mo yun? Hindi siya katulad ng ibang cream na pag...
So, here's what I meant in the video, guys. Yung kanyang cream is meron siyang sort of controller that you will just pump it and then lalabas na yung cream. And there, you have it. Hindi na siya masasayang. Yung cream lang yung lalabas, yung gagamitin nyo, and the rest is safe. The consistency of the cream is lightly sticky, but they say it easily absorbs to your skin naman. The funny part of the cream lang is, ewan ko kung ako lang ba ito or ito lang talagang cream, ganito lang talaga to, is hindi siya ma-close or hindi siya ma-lock. So, better close it. Pag okay na siya, then i-lock mo na lang siya sa kanyang box.
So, char. Ano siyang controller. Find that small dot there in the middle. I-push mo lang yan, tapos may lalabas na cream dyan. I bought this last month. Binili ko to. 1 week ko siyang ginamit and hindi humiyang sa skin ko. And alam, ako kasi yung type of person na pag 1 week or 2 weeks, kung hindi talaga nahiyang stuff na. Kasi I've been there, done that. Alam niyo yung story sa... scan niyo lang yung mga videos ko. Meron akong nireview dyan na talagang tinake up ko for 1 month pero hindi talaga nag-work, which is naging allergic na siya sa akin. Hindi naman kasi yan totoo pag sinabi mo ano lang ng reaction lang yan. Pag alam niyo yun, hindi na maganda sa skin mo, stop niyo na. Bakit niyo naman i-allow yung pain alam niyo yung kayo na lang nasasaktan, diba? You know, you have decisions. You can choose what you want if that is that. You know what happened? You gave me cystic acne. This is not a bad review for Snail. It's just for those who have same skin type. Snail White has different promises. First is the whitening, moisture, and the glowy effect, or the parang glass skin effect. I-check natin yan kung totoo ba talaga yung claim ni Snail. Namit ko to for 1 week and then I stopped it kasi merong tumutubo na cystic acne banda dito and dito. Kaya stinap ko na talaga. And then, pinagamit ko sa mama ko. Syempre, yung mama ko. My mom is 62 years old and I think that this is good for her. Kasi, di ba, may sabi dito na it will make you look younger.
This was the picture of my mother before and after she's using the Snail White cream. As you can see, she has a melasma on her left cheek. And when she started using that cream, it's slowly fading away.
Check yung kanyang ikatatlo and the glowy effect is really true. Kung siguro ginamit to ni mama for like dalawa na siya dun ganito or tatlo siguro 15 years old na yung mama ko. Napansin ko kang mama parang nag-ano yung skin niya, nag-reddish and parang white. So, Korean skin talaga. For the second, it's good for dry skin. Yes, for the moisture, it's really good. Hindi naman as in miracle talaga na nagwala yung wrinkles ng mama ko. Ano lang, parang nag-lessen. Pero yung whitening niya, hindi naman umextend yung whitening niya. Parang fair lang na skin. Parang mas more siya on repairing sa kaysa whitening. Kasi yung Snail is for repairing. I-search nyo lang yung sa Google. Yun yung gamit ng mga ancient noon. Yung mga queen, sa mga reyna nila, nilalagyan nila ng Snail ng ganito. Pero hindi advisable kumuha kayo ng Snail tapos ilagay nyo sa face nyo. May kinukuhaan pa yun ng germs kasi may germs sila diba pakalat-kalat na sila. Tapos nilalagay nyo sa face nyo. So that's it for now. That's my review for this Snail White. It works on my mother and it maybe works for you if you are already 40 years old or 50 years old. I really recommend this to make you look younger. Nakita ko talaga yung difference sa face ng mama ko. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching my not so educational video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video if you like. Pag may questions kayo, leave a comment down below. I answer all the questions because I'm 24 hours online call center. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and like and subscribe if you want more videos like this na walang katuturan.